Hi, this is Mary Ellen Green, and today I'm going to be overviewing WordPress. I'm going to do an introductory to the digital tool, and I'm going to show you a completed checklist of criteria for the tool and if it meets all the criteria, and create a um, scenario of how it can impact learning. So let's go to WordPress. Um, so let's start with the tool checklist. On my last video, I showed you guys how to explore WordPress, what I did with living a healthy lifestyle on my page, and how I posted a blog, how you can explore other people's blogs, etc. So for the checklist, let's first overview the design of the technology tool. I said yes, the tool is very organized because as you can see on the left panel, you can view your own site, you can look at your blog posts, you can look at media, comments, feedback, you can customize. Everything's on the left panel that you need, and you have your site up at the left corner at all times to always click back. So, is it easy to use? Yes. Is it organized? Yes. Does it look sloppy or unprofessional? I don't think so at all. I think it looks very standard. It's kind of the same color scheme as Word document, and I think Word looks very organized. So, um, the design eye-catching. I think it could use a little more work since but it's a blogging tool, which could be artistic, but it's also a really big business tool, so you don't want it to look um, too, eye-catching and different like themes and pops. But yeah, I think it is. The cost of the technology tool, it is free. Um, you can customize and add more things for an additional cost, but other than that, it's free. Um, the ease of the technology tool, as I showed you, it's super easy to use. Also, when you first make your account, it does show you pictures step by step, and it also asks if you want to watch videos for more clarification. Um, it is super reliable. When you make a blog post, it is always going to be on your profile. So if I click on my blog post, 6 days ago I made this, today's breakfast, and it's still there. It never moved. It shows you when it was published. So yeah, it is um, super reliable. I don't think there's any risks. And could this tool be used towards students in education? And kind of segueing into the scenario or impact for learning. Sorry, guys. Segueing into the like scenario and impact for learning. Um, this is a great tool to start any sort of business or do any sort of marketing. So I kind of want to go into that nutritional, like healthy lifestyle, fitness, like segue, like for marketing. And I think that this is a perfect way to do that. It's a perfect site you can view other people's profiles and get ideas. You can market your own stuff. It is super good for business and marketing. Um, yes, the tool will be private. Um, you can make all your posts private or public if you want to. and everything, like I said, is automatically saved and can be made private. Lastly, the benefits of this technology tool. Um, it's really targeted towards your future career and goals. So it's totally up to you how you want to do it. It could just be a hobby thing, but definitely if you want, it could be targeted towards your goals and your future career because you could make it to do with what you want to sell, or if you want to be an entrepreneur, what you want to market, anything like that. You'll get a chance to explore your interests and also create your own blog that will showcase what you have to offer. And there's so many high up there professional people that use WordPress and so many different blogs you can explore. So I really, really, really recommend you download the site, you start following people like in your genre that you want to go into. It's super, super helpful. Honestly, when we started this project, this is the first time I used WordPress and I love it. I followed a ton of people that are into like the same nutrition stuff that I am. And will this tool make things easier for me? Yes, because you can keep your own organized profile and knowledge of ideas, and you can always use it, like I said, and always come back to it. It's not just like a thing that we made for this project, like I'll actually use this. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope that clarified some things about WordPress. Thank you.